In the world of heavy machinery, power isn't just measured in size. It's measured in raw force, engineering dominance, and the ability to conquer the toughest terrains on Earth. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most powerful excavators in the world. Machines so massive, they redefine what excavation really means. Let's begin. At number 10, we have a powerhouse designed for extreme efficiency. With a massive operating weight, advanced hydraulic systems, and unmatched durability, this excavator is built to dominate large-scale construction and mining projects. This machine proves that raw strength and smart engineering go hand in hand. Coming in at number 9, this excavator delivers exceptional digging force and reliability. Known for its fuel efficiency and precision control, it's a favorite in large infrastructure and quarry work. When performance and endurance matter, this machine delivers every single time. Number 8 is where things start getting serious. This excavator features an enormous bucket capacity and cutting-edge hydraulic power, allowing it to move massive amounts of material in minimal time. It's built not just to work hard, but to work relentlessly. At number 7, we enter the realm of true industrial giants. With extreme breakout force and reinforced steel construction, this excavator thrives in the harshest mining environments on the planet. It's a symbol of brute force and engineering mastery. Sitting at number 6 is a machine engineered for maximum productivity. Designed for heavy earth moving and large mining operations, it combines sheer power with advanced operator comfort and control systems. Power has never felt this smooth. Halfway through the list, number 5 makes its presence known. This excavator boasts incredible digging depth, jaw-dropping lifting capacity, and rock-solid stability. When the job seems impossible, this machine makes it look easy. At number 4, we're talking about serious domination. This machine was designed specifically for extreme mining conditions, capable of handling enormous loads with surgical precision. It's not just powerful, it's unstoppable. Cracking the top 3 is a true mechanical beast. With gigantic engines, unmatched hydraulic pressure, and legendary reliability, this excavator stands among the strongest ever built. Few machines on Earth can rival its might. Taking the second spot is an excavation monster engineered for massive open-pit mining. This excavator can lift dozens of tons in a single motion, combining raw muscle with intelligent automation systems. It's power on another level. And at number 1, the undisputed king of excavators. This machine is the definition of extreme power. Built for mega mining operations, it features colossal operating weight, record-breaking digging force, and an engineering design that pushes the limits of what's possible. This isn't just an excavator, it's a legend.